This is Moses here with Orlando. We are from HR Renovations and Restorations LLC company. We are based in 195 Potser Road in Quakertown, PA, in Pennsylvania. We are doing a repairability test here. We've got this one damaged shingle here, which we are going to have to remove the whole tab. And in order to do that, we'll have to remove the other two shingles. You want to show us which shingles we're going to be lifting? This one, okay, two shingles above in order to loose this shingle and then put it back. So Orlando is going to go ahead now and try to pry those things open. You can see he's not lifting up any shingles, just putting the crowbar underneath.
Okay, so I'm going to get the nails now.
Now he's going to get the nails now. He's using a 30-degree angle to lift up the nails. This shingle was damaged by wind. It's a windstorm damage. So, and the claim number is 07551 14113 07551 14113.
All right.
He's loosening the nails. He's removing the shingle now. Gonna get the new one, and we're gonna replace that damaged shingle. He's trying as much as possible not to lift up the shingles, not to cause some damage.
Okay, well, here's what the situation is going to be.
You're gonna, sorry Orlando, you're gonna use the snake.
Yep.
This there. Okay. To put the nail in that snake thing. Yeah. Put the nail out, that's right.
So we got all the nails in there, and I guess we have to put the caulking on.
Now we gotta put the caulking because the seal is broken. We lifted up the shingles. We gotta put the caulking on to seal so that the lifted up shingles that we lifted up will seal down.
So we're gonna seal these down here, and
okay.
we're gonna seal this one here.
Okay. Right.
But you can see some already damage here
You
again.
can see some damage already there.
Got another one there. You have this one here. Okay.
Did you do the mid one?
No, here. Yep. You can see we have to lift the shingles 3 times.
3 times. The shingles are lifted
So,
up.
I can see this one right there.
There's damage right here.
And
There's damage right here. There's damage right there. There's damage right there. There's damage right there. This is damaged. 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 And you can see even here, this is damaged. Here, this is damaged. So as you can see, this roof is irreparable. So that this test has proven that we lifted up the shingles 3 times at about 30 degrees, and these shingles were not damaged, but right now you can see that because we lifted them up, they are damaged. Therefore, this roof is irreparable. You can see the damage right here close. You can see the damage here, it's very close. You can see the damage here. You can see the damage there. You can see the damage here. You can see the damage there. You can see the damage here. That means you cannot repair this roof without damaging the surrounding shingles. Therefore, this roof is irreparable. Thank you.